In this video, I'm gonna be using Salt's Gone to treat my truck. It's supposed to remove salt and brine and give your paint and the undercarriage long-term protection. So join me and let's try it out. So before I actually start treating, I wanted to show you some of the problem areas, like as a before and after. It's not super scientific, but hopefully it'll help. Geez, okay, yeah, you can see all of that salt eating away at my exhaust pipe. Word to the wise, don't buy an MBRP DPF back exhaust because they rust out really quick. You can see it's not terrible under here, but it could definitely be a little cleaner. And that spot right there is horrendous. Ugh. In addition to that, I also have quite a bit of salt on my hood. It is kind of hard to see, but you can see if I come down here, the Ford logo and this chrome here is kind of grayed out just from all the salt stuff on it. So anyway, I'm gonna spray this down. I'm not gonna scrub it at all, and we're gonna see how this stuff does. Who made this mess? What a hack. Stuff is supposedly completely non-toxic, so we'll see about that. If I get a third arm, you'll know it wasn't actually non-toxic. Oh, my favorite. The undercarriage is always the most fun. I mean, so far so good. Looks pretty decent. not bad. She looks clean, no scrubbing. It definitely doesn't get like anything that's not salt or brine. Like you still have stuff that you would probably want to wash. Dang. I mean, the front is way less schmutzig. All right, well, I kind of stand corrected. You can still see it's a bit cloudy up here, but this probably isn't salt. I guess you would probably need to then scrub this to get the stuff like the chrome off. So yeah, kind of hard to tell. And here is the underside. Definitely cleaner. It's just hard to know, again, because it's wet, you know, whether it's the water. But, I mean, definitely pulled a bunch of crap off of here. I guess what I'll do is make a follow-up video maybe after this winter, because it's supposed to protect long term as well, not just be a good rinse. The truck really doesn't look bad though. It's definitely way cleaner, and a lot of the stuff, like the haze that I had from the salt water, is gone. So I suppose at this point time will tell, but it definitely cleaned it up a decent amount. So definitely not really any conclusive findings here. I think as a rinse it works really well. Definitely cleans the truck up nice, and it got a lot of the salt and brine off and gunk. But I think I really need to run it now in some salt to see how good of a job it does protecting after you treat with this stuff.